Soapcast TV, Millie, I'm back with another one. Let's talk about some Elon Musk news, DOGELONMARS, Dogecoin, and what the integration of crypto Twitter could possibly mean for the whole crypto space, man. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. All right, leave a comment, man. It really helps the algorithms. Let's get straight into it. So will Elon Musk take all the dog meme tokens or coins to Mars, man? I honestly think he possibly can. Now, of course, we are in a bear market in a macro environment. Keep that in mind. But when everything turns bullish, eventually a lot of these tokens could actually, just to keep it realistic, 20x, 50x, 100x. Hey, we may see 1000x somewhere around there. But we're already seeing a lot of the projects kind of like react to the Elon Musk Twitter news. You can see right here, Binance. We're excited to help Elon realize a new vision from Twitter, Binance founder CEO CZ said in a statement. We aim to play a role in bringing social media and Web3 together in order to broaden the use and adoption of crypto and blockchain. So they're working on something, fam. They're working on something big, man. And I know a lot of people in the DOGELONMARS community has been asking for that Binance listing. That could really help the market cap and volume if they do get a Binance listing, Robinhood, COINBASE. I know a lot of those exchanges, they have Elon listed as a token where you can view it, but you can't really trade it yet. So hopefully we can see some positive news with one of the listings, man. I think that'd be pretty dope, and it's good to see Binance working with Elon Musk. I know it was months ago they were talking about working on a deal how Binance can also be one of the investors inside the Twitter takeover. So y'all let me know what y'all think about Elon Musk and Binance working together and what it could possibly mean for DOGELONMARS listing. We did see a pump from Dogecoin, man. So you feel me? Dogecoin, for me possibly, I believe Dogecoin can get to $1, maybe $1.50 easily. And with the Elon Musk catalyst, the thing about it is we don't know how fast it can happen. So usually when Elon Musk sends these projects off, it happens pretty fast. We're actually seeing, this is the 1 minute chart, but we're actually seeing on the 4-hour chart, look how healthy that's been. It even was a little retraction right here. A lot of people got faked out from the fake head and shoulders pattern, and then whoop, sent it back up. So again, man, not telling you what to do, not telling you to enter this trade, man, because you got to pay attention to that type of environment. We're in a bear market. If this was a bull run, this thing probably would have already went up 100-200%. So just keep that in mind, man. And Dogecoin has a high market cap, so the potential and growth is there, but it's not as you don't have as much potential as something like a DOGELONMARS, Vote Inu, Floki, some of those projects, Baby Doge, you feel me? But what is that it won't dump on you. This thing is pretty consistent. It's went through a consolidation stage. So hey, Dogecoin may be ready to take off. But this is the thing, family. Will the Fed pivot, man? Is the Fed pivot hopeless? We did see PCE data come out. It was pretty much neutral. Can't really give an opinion whether it's bullish or bearish, because again, if it came out good news, then that would mean the Fed would have to continue tightening its grip and headlight on the economy by rating hikes, man. And the DYX does continue to soar, as you can see right here. So again, man, we're just getting mixed signals within the market. The US 10-year treasury yield still over 4%, curve is still inverted, and inflation is too high. So what would the Fed do? Would they do a 0.75, maybe 0.50 in December, and then 0.25 after that? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think will happen, man. I think it's pretty bipolar. Let's hear some experts and how SEC and watchdogs have been keeping an eye on crypto regulation and what it's been doing for the consumer sentiment and confidence. Check it out.
CEO and executives saying, we bring on regulation, we want to therefore be deemed sort of more legitimate. But are investors seeing it that way?
I think you have to break down what kind of investors. First of all, 60% of those who were surveyed by Bloomberg, this is more than 560 investors, said yes. And interestingly enough, if you look at the type of investors, retail investors were saying so at a greater rate than professional investors. And when you look at the crypto industry at large, you are seeing a lot of divergence still in the types of investors that are more likely to buy crypto over the next 12 months off of the back of that. For example, you're seeing more sell-side traders say yes, as opposed to those high-level asset allocators and executives saying yes. So you do have divergence within the type of investor, but generally
whether it's on their own personal book or whether it's for their
exactly. I think there's a huge difference there on the volumes you're buying at that level, right? But 60% do say yes, that the regulatory clarity means a lot. Interestingly enough, some of these investigations, as we know, are pretty nascent, and the things that the SEC are looking at, whether it's at NFTs and Yuga Labs, or whether we're thinking about the way they're approaching Three Arrows Capital, which is a little further down the road in terms of the hiccups we saw a lot earlier this year that were much more blatant and detrimental to the market, that a little bit of regulation might have protected some people against.
Well, you see it there, man. As the contagion leaves the market and we get through the capitulation, you can already see that crypto regulation is seeming to be a positive thing for crypto adoption. Let me know what you think about that inside the comments, man. But Bitcoin, we really needed to get over 21K to make any noise. We do have an important November coming up with the FOMC meeting and potential news on what the Fed will do in the upcoming months. So that's the crypto roundup, man, as far as DOGELONMARS, Dogecoin, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Is Elon Musk buying Twitter bullish for the crypto space in hold? And will the Fed officially pivot, man? Like, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps the algorithm. Soap Guys TV, Millie, I'm out.